Alright, so this is a new view for everybody. I've had this package for a little while now, probably about a month or so, and I figured it's about time to get it onto the Gladiator. So, let's get it open. Right, I do. May have needed to open it more, but oh well. So, inside have some instructions, which you'll see there. We have a Swayloc for the Gladiator. This is the manual version. I figured that one, I don't have onboard air yet, and I don't have the money to get that yet, unless someone wants to sponsor. Alright, so after a little bit of struggling by me and everybody else helping, I was able to get this up with their help. Mostly their help, not mine. So we have the old one and the new one. So, Swayloc by Offroad Only, if I remember right.
Corey, where are we at?
At
GP's garage!
Because I don't have a friggin' garage.
Shameless plug! What's up?
I'll link it. Don't worry. Now we're going to go ahead and put this one up on there. This is going to take some hands.
Shouldn't be this hard.
That's what she said. that is the Swayloc. Gotta get some grease so that I can be able to keep greasing it up. And we'll have to show it on the trails next time. Thanks for watching.